y. 2 times
3.
oh, 6.
6xy.
Okay, so 6x y. Very good. Okay, so simplify. 6x plus 5x.
11x squared. 11x squared.
11x. Dili sila mo i-add, okay? Dili ni ko i-add. Ang tara nila mo i-add kung multiplication. Okay? Kung multiply naman. Okay, so 11x. Kini, 2ab minus 9ab.
7a.
Negative, positive. Oh, negative 7ab. Very good. Okay, x1. 2x multiplied by x plus 2. So, want to try. Sige na, ibagan. Ha? Sige, pinambalas na. 2x multiplied by x plus 2. Sama na ito pag-expand. Sa are we going to expand? Pila man na sila? 2x times x. Pila man na? 2x. Okay, 2x squared. Yeah. Plus 2x times 2. Ha? 4. Yeah. 4. Naman sa x. 4x. Very good. Kini. 3x squared.
6.
Kini. Ang 3 kadua man.
6 minus 6.
Oh, 9. 9 pila? 9. 9. Tama sa jay variable.
9x.
9x
squared.
Okay, 9x squared. Okay. Sige, dirita. Okay. 2y multiplied by y squared plus 3y plus 1. Okay, so expand. Saan maton kini? 2y times y squared. Pila man? 2y. Kini, 2y times y squared. 2y cube. Okay. Iba na naman sa 2. Na kini, automatic na siya na ay 1. So, 2y cube. Okay. Plus, no? Plus. Okay. 2y times 3y. 2 times 3. 6 niya ang iyang variable. 6y squared. Okay. Niya plus. Okay. 2y times 1. 2y times 1.
2.
2. Niya. Ano sa may iyang variable? Okay, so man as daan spotted forms anina algebraic expression. Gets? Ha? Gets? Dali ra sayon? Sayon ra. Okay, sige. Arita sa ikaduhang nga page B. Kining ilin. Okay, ako i-erase ha. Okay, erase. Okay, sige, si in-name. Yung kanino, in-name is, basta tatanan rin. In-name is investigating, ready, go.
Elaine is investigating algebraic products. She is drawing diagrams made up of rectangles to help her find the algebraic products of 10 when she multiplies 2x plus 3 by another algebraic expression, 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 3 by itself.
Okay, so kana na, halata ko to. Okay, so kung drawing yun, kaya pala mas masaktan. Okay, so si Elaine nag-draw on kanang diagrams made of rectangles. Okay, so diagram 1. Okay, so this is the rectangle.
Dito sumamin na ito, yung lang ito.
Alam mo. Sa Manuel na tao?
So, open dito.
Okay, so mo ni sila ang rectangle. Ang side area sa rectangle, sa tong formula sa rectangle.
Ako na.
Remember? Try to remember.
Ay, length times
Okay, so area is very good. Area of rectangle is left times width. Okay, so pangutaon, panuhaon na to. Okay. Okay, so kuhaon na to ang area sa kini nga area na first area. Okay, area 1. Okay, so pila may unsa may ang area? Asa may nandiyan length times width. Okay, so 3x times 2x. So pila? Pila? Nandiyan ano? 3x times 2x.
9x squared.
Pila pala? 3 times 2.
6x.
6x.
X squared.
Oh, 6x squared. Okay. Area, ano na? Area 2. Okay, so ang yung area 2. Length times width. 5 times 2x. Pila?
10x.
Okay, very good. Then, x. Okay, ano ba sa area 4? Okay, area 4. Ano? Area 3. Area 3. Okay. Area 3. Isa may yung area. Length times width. Okay, 3x times 3 pila? 9x. Okay, area 4. Okay, 5 times 3 equals? 15. Okay. Dali, ano? Sa'yo na pa. Multiply o? Multiply. Okay. Sige, arit tabi. Okay, dali, ano? 2x. Okay. Ini. What is, nanamata answer nyo for diagram 1, write down an algebraic expression for each area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4. Okay, so what is the simplest way to write the algebraic product? 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 5. Okay, so who wants to answer that one? Sorry, multiplying 8 of okay, so may itong buhaton. Ano yung going to do? Who wants to try? It's fun, it's fun. It's fun stuff. Ang parehan. What's that? Okay, sige. Putang equal 6x. Okay, sige. And then sunod. Plus 2x. Oh, butang mo ang sign. Samayin yung sign.
Plus.
Plus. Sunod sa 6x squared plus. Butang. Oh, diha. Okay. 2x times 5. Okay, sunod. Kailangan 3 o plus. Plus o 3 times 3x. 9x. Sunod. Plus. 3 times. Ilang mo? Okay, sige. Simplify. I-add katong parihang terms. Asa may same terms ang